Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be trying on all my pants. I'm going to be trying on my jeans, my cargos, my dressy pants, some casual pants, and I'm going to be trying them all today. Any of the items that I'm not deciding to keep, I'll go ahead and list down on my Depop. My Depop will be listed in my description, so make sure to shop around for items in the video and other items that I went ahead and uploaded there on my Depop. Starting off with these cargo pants that are super cute and adorable. I have to keep them. These are nice and comfortable. The wash is perfect and I love how flowy they are. I love these. These are asymmetrical jeans and I just think they have to stay. These are Windsor jeans, nice and fitted, but we have a nice loose leg at the bottom and I just love this combination. These are the perfect medium wash jean that you can ask for, and I just love these mom jeans. I think they're everything. Then we also have these black jeans that are just staples. Then we have these medium rise, medium wash jeans that I think are really cute and slouchy, and I think they're really in right now. Then we have these really fitted but flared out pants, and I just think they're really flattering. These are some like carpenter pants with the side pockets. These are nice and comfortable and I just really like the wash. These are super duper cute. They're not necessarily like carpenter pants, but they do have some interesting stitching, so I think these are cute to keep. Then we have these low rise vintage pants that I thrifted. I think they're so cute. I might have cut them a little too short for my long legs. These are super duper cute little, like almost like cargo jeans. I think they're so cute. These are some really nice light wash fitted jeans that are like a loose, like a bootleg. I don't know, they're super cute. These are really nice. I think Windsor jeans just structure your body super nicely, just exactly the way that you need. These are some really comfortable pants that I have. They have a lot of pockets and a lot of stitching. I like them. Then we have these like mom jeans sort of style, but kind of on the skinnier side. These are similar to the dark blue carpenter pants that I mentioned earlier. These are really cute and comfortable. I love these. These are some low-rise thrifted pants. I think they're absolutely to die for. They're totally giving Y2K, and that is the reason, the vision that I had for them. These are some Hollister pants that are super duper comfortable and fitted and ultra high rise. Then we have these really cute light wash distress jeans that flare out on the leg, and I just think these are really cute. These are some cargo pants, cargo jeans. I think these are really adorable. I love that they have a really concentrated blue wash, and I think they are really cute. These were some low-rise Moxie World jeans that I absolutely love. She customized the pocket with a butterfly, and I just think it's to die for. These are some nice fitted American Eagle jeans that I think are really cute and perfect for every day. These are some Forever 21 little jean. I think these are a little too short for me. These are some fitted Levi's on the skinny side, and these are really cute for certain outfits, certain visions. These are some regular old blue jean Princess Polly, and you just cannot go wrong with these. These are some fitted skinny jeans with distress on the knees. I think these are cute. I'm not too sure whether I'm keeping them or not. These are some low-rise jeans with a flare leg, and these are just my favorite. I absolutely love this Y2K style. It is to die for. These are some overly distressed Forever 21 jeans that honestly, they're pretty cute and they look nice and they're fitted and everything. I'm just not too sure if they're my style anymore. These are some adorable Levi's leopard print denim jeans that I am in love with. American Eagle, really dark blue jean that is really nice with some distressing. Next we have these really fitted blue jeans from Fashion Nova. Now these are just super duper nice. And then these are some vintage blue pants that I just think are really cute. Hollister jeans that I might be getting rid of because they're not really my vibe anymore, and they are a little bit loose on the waist. These are some other Hollister jeans that are absolutely cute, but honestly they did fit a little bit loose on the waist, so I will be thinking about those. These are some vintage jeans that were thrifted. The detail pocket really just gives it that oomph. Next, we have these fitted H&M middle rise jeans that I think are really cute. I'm still deciding whether or not I'm going to keep these. They are really nice and fitted. These bedazzled flared jeans from Forever 21 are absolutely stunning, and I just absolutely love them. These are some Gap jeans that are nice and comfortable for your everyday. They are high rise. They are a little bit on the loose side, so I might be setting those on my Depop. These are also from Windsor, and I think these are so nice. They are nice and structured. They're not as comfy as the others, but that's because of how structured they are, but that's why they look amazing, and I absolutely love them. Next, we have another pair of Levi's jeans. These are sort of low rise or mid rise. I don't absolutely love that they're skinny, but we love that they're a lower rise. These are from Fashion Nova, and I think these are just a nice little denim basic that you would want to keep for your everyday. Next, we have these low-rise American Eagle jeans that are just like, oh my goodness, absolutely love, absolutely to die for, totally giving Y2K, early 2000s, my type of vibe. These are some adorable JCPenney jeans that I got when I was like in high school, and why do they still look incredible? Like, I need to pull up to JCPenney and look for some more of these because of how beautiful these look. Next, we have these jeans that were from Fashion Nova. These are nice and stretchy denim that is nice and fitted. These are some Levi's jeans. These are a dark wash with distress going on. I think these are nice. And next we have Wrangler. We love that. Got Wrangler on my booty. These are just fun and different. These are some Zara jeans that are extremely distressed on the lower side of the rise. These are some Free People jeans that are also kind of like a mid-rise, a little bit loose. Next, we have these American Eagle capri white jeans that I love how they fit. I'm just not too sure about the length. I know I could do like some wrap up heels or something like that, but to be decided. These are some white painter pants that I absolutely love. I think they're super fun and cute, and just if it goes with the outfit vibe, then slay. Next, we have these black flared denim jeans. Honestly, these were a little bit on the tight side. And then we have some black skinny jeans that have some slits on the knees, but honestly, the knees are a little too low for me. Next, we have these white flared jeans that are actually so cute. They've got the elephant leg. Next are these corduroy jeans pants that I love. I think they're really cute. These are some like grayish black jeans that are nice and fitted. Pretty cute. These are some low-rise jeans, sort of medium wash, black, sort of slouchy and baggy, but kind of fitted at the bottom of the leg. These are some red Dickies pants that I think are really cute and different. They are a little bit on the tighter side, so I might add them to my Depop, but they are really cute and a statement. These are some really, really nice fitted green Hollister, like carpenter pants. They are so absolutely gorgeous and comfortable. I love these. These are some black Hollister jeans that are nice and fitted, super skinny, ultra high rise. Very, very nice for the silhouette. These are some gray jeans that I kind of just like because they looked interesting. They got zippers going on at the bottom by the ankle and the pocket. These are some structured black jeans from Forever, and I just think these are really nice. These are some like carpenter pant from cargo pant from Windsor, and I think they're nice. These are some white cotton on jeans. I like that they aren't skinny and they're just like a cool bottom. I like these. These are some very distressed black jeans that I'm not too sure if they're my vibe anymore. These are some super cute off-white low-rise Y2K pants that I love. These are some sort of cargo navy blue jean bottom that I absolutely love. I think these are super duper cute. And these are some high-rise cheetah print jeans that I just think they are so cute and so trendy. Some green ultra high-rise with belted design. I think these are really cute cargos and they are very, very flattering. These are some black jeans. These are ultra high rise, which I don't think is very flattering for my short torso, so I will be adding these to my Depop, but they're beautiful and comfortable. These are some like low rise Vans bottoms that my boyfriend gave me that I think are pretty cute, and I might be able to wear them with some sort of cute outfit. These are some Tiger Mist camo bottoms that I actually really like. Marshall low rise / mid rise jeans that are really cute, skinny jeans right here. Then these are some gray, like, honestly they look like nursing pants, but they're kind of also like, you know, little cargos, super cute. And these are some Urban Outfitters really, really adorable Hawaii vibe bottom that I think are so cute. These are some of my work vibe pants that I purchased. They are okay. These are some really cute vintage like strawberry shortcake bottoms that I purchased. I would love to make some outfits with them because I do see a vision with these. And then these are some really, really nice fitted green pants. They're still on the work vibe area. These are super duper cute, giving office queen from early 2000s, off-white, absolutely gorgeous. These are the same style in these beautiful pink gingham, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's so cute. I wore these to see Billie Eilish. And then these are some cute Brandy Melville pinstripe bottoms. They are really cute and comfortable, and I really like these. These are the same office early 2000s vibe, super duper cute, really, really fitted and absolutely gorgeous. In the perfect khaki with some kitten heels, I think would be so cute. These are some Columbia cargo pants that are actually hiking pants that I absolutely love to wear hiking. You can remove the bottom and make them shorts, and I love these. These are another pair of Columbia pants that I have. These are so cute. They're like also giving the office vibe, but they're nice and comfortable and movable, because they are outdoor pants, so that's why I love them. These are some adorable snake print leather pants that are so absolutely gorgeous and flattering, and I always get compliments on these. These are also stunning from Marshalls. They're a dark, deep brown, and I just think these are absolutely gorgeous and comfortable and warm. These are some Forever 21 like leather legging style pant. And then these are some newspaper vibe, just a little interesting pant that I thought would be cute. These are some nice, comfortable pants. I don't know what you call these, but they're cute. These I purchased thinking the bottom would look okay, but honestly, I don't know in what way that would be possible. Maybe with sneakers? I don't know. And then these are so stinking cute. I love the color, the print, the vibe, adorable. These are on the same work vibe as the others. Cute, you know, still giving a vibe. Ankle pants, belted, very cute, professional. These are some low-rise Roxy like beach pants. I think these are really cute. They're like linen and they got a little scrunch at the waist. These are my absolute like low-key favorite comfy pants. They are so gorgeous, giving pajama pants, giving I don't know, like I'm on an island or in Florida. I don't know what vibes they give. But then we have these cheetah pants that are super duper cute. I actually really like these and I can't wait to wear them more. These linen pants from Marshalls are my rock. And then these fun, sparkly purple pants I just think are really, really cute and fun, and a fun pop of color to add. These are some really, really cute parachute pants that are super duper slouchy, and you can mix and match the rise because you have control with the little tie it has in the waist line. So these are super cute. Absolutely love these. These are so cute. This acid blue is everything. If you know me, you know I love color, and this one just screams my name, and I love them. They are such cute little parachute pants. Then we have these green pants that I just think are so stinking cute and adorable. You can never go wrong with these. Got them also in black because you can never go wrong with them, and they are so duper duper cute. I love these. These are some pink cargo pants, and I just think parachute pants. I just think these are so cute. Absolutely to die for, and I always get so many compliments on these bright colors. Another one of my colorful series of parachute pants. I think these are so beautiful, so gorgeous, very different, and hallelujah, we're done with all pants. Yay, we made it. These are the bottoms that I don't like, that don't fit anymore, and that I will be selling on Depop. And these jeans right here are all my mom jeans. These are like my big loosey-goosey or like wide pants. These are, what are these? These are like skinny pants, like fitted on the leg, but they could flare. These are skinny jeans. These are low rise. These over here are my colorful like pants that I like. These are like my cargos and parachute pants. And those over there are my soft little pants that I like. And then these are my leather bottoms that I'm keeping. That was everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And all of the items that I'm not keeping, I will be listing on my Depop. My Depop will be set in the description down below. Make sure to shop around if you like any of the items in my video. Bye guys.